So I'm going to attempt to fly this little puppy through the shop here. We have a low ceiling, so I can't go too high. So this is Kathy's desk. She's setting up her earphones right now. And I'm going to attempt to go fly it back into the sewing area. Rookie pilot here. Rookie pilot. Again, we have a low ceiling, so I'm scared to fly it too high. Marina looks very calm and collected right now, but she sees a drone coming at her. So it's pretty tight back here. I assumed I would probably crash it about right now, but I slipped through, got into the shipping area now. Gonna turn her around, maybe. So this is our shipping area right here. And I'm going to try to get out of here, but you'll see in a second here it's pretty narrow. So a little more twist to the right. There we go. Uh-oh. I'm never going to be able to get it through there without crashing. So here we go. Going to poke it through there, try to get it nice and level and stable. Push the throttle forward. Little to the left, and there it goes. I made it through. So this is our cutting area. You can see material on the left and parts on the left and cutting table on the right. More cabinets and parts and stuff. And you can see through that grid, that's the front of the office. There's our first sewing machine. Coming back up to try to get back through into the main office area. Little jerky turn, jerky turn, jerky turn. Poke it on through. Gonna spin over and take a look at my desk, I think. Nope, went right on through into the showroom. We're now in the showroom. So I made it all the way around. All I have to do now is land the little puppy. So let's see what I can do now. I'll spin her around about now. There we go. Okay, point it back at me. That's our Capabunga products there and face masks. Looking for the landing on the desktop here on the countertop. Gonna bring it in. Get ready for one-touch landing. Over the countertop, and bingo, it's down.